If you're over 65, stop scrolling. This might be the most important thing you watch today, because every single night, millions of seniors unknowingly destroy their own muscles with foods they think are healthy. I'm going to show you exactly which 5 foods to never eat before bed, and the simple swaps that actually rebuild your muscles while you sleep. Stay until number 3. That one changes everything. Here's the truth most doctors never mention. After 60, your body loses muscle every single year. By 70, up to 20% of it is gone. That's why seniors feel weak, fall more often, and slowly lose their independence. This condition is called sarcopenia, and it's more common than you think. But here's what makes it worse. Your body's only window to rebuild muscle is while you sleep. That's when growth hormone surges. That's when damaged tissue repairs itself. Miss that window with the wrong food, and your body doesn't repair. It breaks down. So which foods are doing this? Number 1 might already be in your kitchen right now. Food number 1, granola bar. This one is dangerous precisely because it looks healthy. Natural ingredients, oats, nuts, maybe some honey. Seniors eat these every night thinking they're making a smart choice. They are not. Most granola bars contain 20 to 30 grams of sugar. That sugar hits your bloodstream within minutes. Insulin spikes. Growth hormone shuts down completely. And your body spends the entire night breaking down muscle instead of building it. The label says healthy. Your muscles know the truth. Swap it for a small handful of raw almonds and a hard-boiled egg. 0 sugar spike. Maximum overnight muscle support. Now, number 2 is one that will genuinely surprise you. Food number 2, decaf coffee. Decaf coffee before bed. Most seniors switch to decaf thinking it's completely safe at night. It is not. Here's what nobody tells you. Decaf coffee still contains 15 to 30% of the caffeine found in regular coffee. That's enough to disrupt your deep sleep cycles without you even feeling it. But caffeine is only half the problem. Coffee, regular or decaf, raises cortisol levels, and cortisol is a catabolic hormone. That means it actively breaks down muscle tissue. Drink it at night, and your cortisol stays elevated for hours, directly destroying the muscle your body is trying to repair. You drink decaf thinking you're being careful. Your muscles are paying the price all night. Swap it for chamomile tea. It lowers cortisol, improves deep sleep, and supports overnight muscle recovery. Number 3 is the one that shocks almost everyone. Stay with me. Food number 3, low-fat yogurt. You're thinking, yogurt has protein. It's calcium. It's healthy. How is this on the list? Here's the truth. Most low-fat yogurts in supermarkets contain 15 to 25 grams of added sugar per container. That is more sugar than many candy bars. The sugar spikes insulin. Insulin kills growth hormone. Growth hormone stops. Muscle repair stops. Every single night. And here's what makes it even worse. Without fat, that sugar absorbs faster. You get a bigger spike, a harder crash, and your muscles get nothing. The low-fat label is a trap. It is not a health food. It is a sugar delivery system disguised as one. Swap it for full-fat Greek yogurt with 0 added sugar. More protein, less sugar. The fat slows absorption and helps your body use every gram of protein overnight. Number 4 catches almost every senior completely off guard. Food number 4, whole wheat bread. Whole wheat bread before bed. This one is the most dangerous on this list because it has the strongest healthy reputation. Whole grains, fiber, complex carbs. Doctors recommend it. Nutritionists praise it. Seniors eat it every night guilt-free. But here is what actually happens. Whole wheat bread has a glycemic index of 71. That is nearly identical to white bread. At night, when your metabolism slows down, that spike is even more damaging. Insulin surges, growth hormone crashes, muscle breakdown begins. And most whole wheat breads sold in supermarkets contain added sugar, preservatives, and seed oils that trigger inflammation directly linked to accelerated muscle loss in seniors. You think you are eating healthy. You are destroying your muscles. Swap it for a small portion of sweet potato. Lower glycemic, anti-inflammatory, and it actually supports overnight muscle recovery instead of blocking it. One more, and this last one is one almost every senior consumes daily. Food number 5, sports drinks and vitamin water. Sports drinks and vitamin water before bed. Seniors drink these because they look healthy. Electrolytes, vitamins, hydration. The marketing is perfect for the 65-plus audience. It is all a lie. A single bottle of vitamin water contains 27 grams of sugar. A sports drink, up to 34 grams. At night, that sugar does 3 things to your muscles, and none of them are good. First, insulin spikes and growth hormone production stops completely. Second, the artificial dyes and preservatives in these drinks trigger systemic inflammation. And inflammation is the primary accelerator of sarcopenia after 60. Third, the blood sugar crash that follows wakes you up at 2 or 3 a.m. Deep sleep is destroyed. Muscle recovery is destroyed. You wake up weaker than when you went to bed. These drinks are not health products for seniors drinking them at night. They are muscle destroyers in a bottle. Swap it for plain water with a pinch of sea salt and a squeeze of lemon. Real electrolytes, 0 sugar, 0 damage. So, here is exactly what to remember. Number 1, granola bars. The healthy label is a lie. Pure sugar that kills growth hormone. Number 2, decaf coffee. Still has caffeine, raises cortisol, breaks down muscle all night. Number 3, low-fat yogurt. More sugar than candy. Destroys overnight recovery. Number 4, whole wheat bread. Nearly identical glycemic impact to white bread. Blocks muscle repair every single night. Number 5, sports drinks and vitamin water. 27 to 34 grams of sugar disguised as health food. Now you know what to avoid, but avoiding the wrong foods is only half the battle. The other half, the foods that actively rebuild your muscle after 60, is just as critical. I already made a complete video on that, the 7 cheap foods that rebuild muscle fast, even after 65. It is right here. Watch it next, because what you eat tonight determines how strong you wake up tomorrow. And if you want to stay strong, independent, and keep your muscles from disappearing after 60, hit the subscribe button right now, because every week, I break down the foods, habits, and simple daily changes that help seniors rebuild strength naturally. And before you go, comment the word STRONG below if you're committed to protecting your muscles after 60. Your future body starts with what you do tonight.